Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. An elegant splendor has come to the forefront in the rapidly developing tourist mecca of Tower Al St. Mary. This beautifully constructed 6,000 square feet, three-story, three balconies, two-car garage, entertainment paradise sits on over half an acre in land size with a 1,600 square feet upper balcony spanning the entire roof and taking full advantage of the view. Five ensuite bathrooms, each having a walk-in closet, two half baths, ground floor and the balcony. And yes, the master has a wing with its own private balcony. This property ticks a lot of boxes, equipped with an electronic gate, underground water tank, recessed lightings, marble tiled entranceway, all the upstairs with a gorgeous wood look tile, and the entire home clad with black iron rails. Your home is located 2 minutes from the beach, supermarkets, resorts, and police station. Popular attractions like Yaaman and Boscobel are 5 minutes away. The Ian Flemings Airport is just around the corner with a 8 minutes drive. Ocho Rios is your neighbor and within reach in less than 15 minutes. With all the appliances included, this home is ready to call you its new owner. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $119.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.